So here's how you make this low-carb chicken noodle soup, which is adapted from the Filipino recipe for Binakol. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. Go ahead and pause here, take note. You can also find this list on our website, which is in the description of this video. All right, let's get right to how you make it. I'm a fan of the one pot method. So in a large pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium or low heat. Now you want to add the lemongrass, ginger, and onion, saute it, stirring occasionally for roughly 3 minutes or until they're translucent, but be careful not to burn them or let them brown. Now add the garlic and cook until the garlic has softened. Alternatively, you can brown the garlic for some added texture to the soup later on, but that's up to you. Next, add the coconut water, the stock, and the chicken and bring it to a boil. Now, we use chicken thighs because we like to, but you can also use breast or a whole chicken. There are many ways to customize this recipe. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until you can pull the chicken apart with a fork. Or you can use a meat thermometer and test the internal temperature. Up to you. Now you're ready to add the coconut meat, which is the noodle alternative, and the spinach, and then simmer for another 5 minutes. We buy the coconut meat in a package from a grocery store here in Boston. So if you're able to find that, highly recommend, because I've never actually cut a coconut. I don't know how to do that. Now all that's left is to season to taste with fish sauce and pepper, and then serve. You can freeze this for a quick keto meal at a later date or keep it in your fridge for lunches throughout the week. It is seriously one of the best low-carb chicken noodle soups I've come across. I hope you enjoy.